We all have heard that sneezing with open eye will lead to your eyeball popping out. But is it true? First of all, it is almost impossible for anyone to sneeze with open eyes because the movement of eyelids are controlled by the brain area which regulates the process of sneezing. Thus, brain automatically sends the signal to the nerves to close down your eyes during sneezing. And even if you can sneeze with open eyes, it will not lead to your eyeballs popping out because the eyeballs are held in eye socket by six muscles known as extraocular muscles. Along with holding the eyeball, these muscles are also responsible for the movement of eyeball. Anyway, the eyelids are not strong and thick enough to hold your eyeball while you sneeze. They are just hanging there to protect you from the dust and other foreign debris. Are you curious about something like this? Ask in the comments.